Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget channel. In this video we will review the MTM wireless security camera, powered 15,000 mAh. We have this 6 features on this camera: two-way audio, motion sensor, night vision, remote monitor, rip detection, alert massage reminder. The smart Wi-Fi surveillance camera uses a 2.8mm lens, a 120-degree surveillance angle, and a high-definition video output, allowing you to view clearer and more detailed videos in all directions. Once motion is detected, the outdoor video camera can send real-time alarms and save the video triggered by the motion. The microSD maximum 128GB supports microSD card or saved in paid cloud storage. You have 7 days of free experience, but you need to renew it afterwards. When the ambient light is not enough to ensure you are visible in the dark, our Wi-Fi security camera wireless infrared light will automatically turn on the night vision mode, and night vision can reach 55 feet away. Outdoor wireless battery surveillance cameras can realize multi-account sharing. No matter where they are, multiple people can watch real-time video at the same time through the app to jointly protect the safety of the house. The outdoor Wi-Fi wireless camera uses an upgraded enhanced antenna, which can receive stronger Wi-Fi signals. Only 2.4 GHz is supported, not applicable to 5G Wi-Fi. The outdoor sound-activated camera captures animals or people by sensing temperature. The sensitivity level of 1 to 10 is adjusted. Only when an object is captured will be notified via SMS to prevent you from being bombarded by SMS.
Hold the device power button to start the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.